Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some sweet plantain muffins. These are absolutely delicious. If you guys have overripe plantains, please do not throw them out. This recipe is divine. It is similar to banana bread. And speaking of banana bread, I do have some delicious, fluffy, soft banana bread recipes on my channel. You guys can definitely check that out. You are going to be amazed. So first, you are going to peel your plantains and you are going to mash them just like that. And this is great for your kids. They can take to school for a little snack or just, anytime you feel like eating some good plantain muffins. So to a clean bowl, you're going to add your butter, and I'm using agave and honey. You can also add some sugar as well. But not to worry, everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. After which you are going to add your eggs and some good vanilla extract. Then you're going in with your sweet plantain, your mashed sweet plantains here. And whisk it together. Make sure it is well combined with the butter mixture. Go in with your nutmeg, your cinnamon powder, and I'm also using here some freshly grated ginger. To my flour, I'm adding some baking soda, baking powder, salt, and some clove powder. Now, if you do not have baking soda, you can definitely use only baking powder, and I'll leave the correct measurements in the description box. So now we are going to add our flour to our sweet plantains, just a little bit at a time, and mix it well. And we're going to take this over the top, guys, by adding our sweetened coconut flakes. And you can find that in your grocery store. And of course, some milk. You can use any milk. You can use coconut milk, whole milk, your choice. Then you're going to add some, I'm using raisins and dry cranberry. You can also add some toasted nuts as well. I didn't have any, so I didn't use it. So here I'm also adding some cayenne pepper. Guys, this is super amazingly delicious. I can't wait for y'all to make this. And when y'all do, please let me know. So you're going to bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 25 to 35 minutes. You can insert the center with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it is done. And this is divine. It is done, guys. Absolutely delicious. Look at the inside of that. So if you guys are new to my channel and y'all have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop me a comment. Let me know if you guys ever have sweet plantain muffins or sweet plantain bread before, and how you make it, how you like it, that kind of thing. All right, so thank you guys again. Do enjoy. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you guys. Do enjoy the recipe. See y'all later.